In this video, I'll show you a simple way to speed it up by disabling unnecessary startup programs. First, press Ctrl-Shift and Escape to open Task Manager quickly. In Task Manager, click on the Startup Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start automatically when you turn on your PC. As you can see, there are some programs that I don't need it. So I will disable one by one, but don't disable programs like antivirus or system apps. Now, close Task Manager and restart your computer. You'll notice a faster boot time and smoother performance. That's it. Your PC should now start faster. If this helped, please like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.